தேவேந்திரகுல வேளாளர் சமூகத்தில்
Prime Minister Narendra Modi said the Pole Bugle in Tamil Nadu as he launched a slew of programs in Chennai. He flagged off the Phase 1 extension and Phase 2 of the Chennai Metro, while also flagging off the railway line between Chennai Beach and Attipattu. Now, addressing a large gathering in the presence of Chief Minister E. Palaniswamy and the Governor, the Prime Minister also highlighted the work undertaken by his government for the fishermen community as well as the DVK community. Now, Prime Minister will also next visit the state of Kerala. We will launch a series of programs as well.
The central government has accepted their long-standing demand to be known as Devendra Kula Velalar. They will now be known by their heritage name and not the 6 to 7 names listed in the schedule to the Constitution. I said that their name, Devendra, rhymes with my own name, Narendra. I understand their emotions. We are inaugurating the 9-kilometer stretch of the Chennai Metro Rail Phase 1 project. This would go from Washermanpet to Vimko Nagar. This project has been completed on schedule despite the global pandemic. Over rupees 63,000 crore have been set aside for 119 kilometers of Phase 2 of the project. This is one of the largest projects sanctioned for any city in one go. The focus on urban transport will boost ease of living for citizens here.
My colleague Deepa Balakrishnan now joining us live. Deepa, the Prime Minister has sounded the Pole Bugle in the state of Tamil Nadu from farmers to fishermen to accepting the long-standing demand of the DKV community as well. Now the question is, with the alliance, being solidified between both the partners, the Pole Bugle being sounded, will all of this narrative actually turn into votes as far as the BJP is concerned?
Well, the BJP is, of course, trying all out to woo and also talking about contributions to the economy, contributions to the infrastructure. Remember, he has been reiterating over and over again the different kinds of projects.
Well, we'll try and reconnect with Deepa very, very shortly, but that's the latest that's coming in as far as the state of Tamil Nadu is concerned. The Prime Minister has in fact sounded the Pole Bugle in the state of Tamil Nadu, where he did launch some infra and development projects as well. I believe Deepa is back with us. Deepa, please continue. Deepa, if you can hear me.
Yes, I can. Yeah, I think what's also very significant here at the event is that the Prime Minister here is speaking in English. I mean, we usually have this major outcry against Hindi imposition that's become a poll issue as well. So we do have the BJP reaching out to that extent. We saw the BJP President JP Nadda the last time he was in Tamil Nadu also use this as a strategy perhaps. The other thing, of course, talking about achievements of the EIDP government, for which the BJP also took some credit here. With one of these projects, primarily the metro extension one, started when J. Jayalalitha was the Chief Minister. She had just been re-elected to power, and 4.5 years later,
well, we seem to be having a...
has the government.
Well, we seem to be having a bit of a connection issue with Deepa. We'll try and reconnect with Deepa shortly. But as we've been pointing out, that a very strong message as far as the sounding of the Pole Bugle for the state of Tamil Nadu is concerned there by the Prime Minister. It is going to be a hectic day for the Prime Minister, first in Tamil Nadu and then later in the day in Kerala. The long-standing demand of the DKV community, that's going to be very, very important. As far as, laying the roadmap for the state, that's also very, very important. And of course, that subtle message that came as far as the fishermen community.
மேலும் இது போன்ற வீடியோக்களை உடனுக்குடன் தெரிந்து கொள்ள நம்ம மருதநிலம் மீடியாவை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். கூடவே ஆளுங்கிற ஆப்ஷனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் உங்களுக்கு செய்திகள் உடனுக்குடன் வந்து சேரும். நன்றி.